climb inside the 2009 Toyota Yaris. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, tilt steering wheel, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and four well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call